What is up, guys? Today this is a bit of a slow day. So today I'm doing an oil change on the ND. I'm actually what?
Bro, I just can't get over you.
You done?
No, you're so cute when you're
So I'm doing an oil change on the ND. I've only had the car since about mid-February, and now we're in mid-May. It's been about 3 months, and I put about 5,000 miles on it. I love driving this thing. It is such a fun car, and like, this is the best car I've ever owned. Sorry, base model. We got here a Bosch filter and some Pennzoil Platinum 530. I've heard good things about Pennzoil Platinum. So, and I know they recently redid their formula. The car stock takes 0-20, but that's for like emissions purposes. Fuel mileage, it helps with fuel mileage to have thinner oil. But I've already tracked this car twice. Probably will be tracking it at least 2 more times this summer, depending on how things go. So, this is actually the first time I've ever dropped the skid plate on my Miata. So, I'm actually very surprised. The oil pan is accessible, like 100% accessible. Coming from my NA, you had to either drop the subframe or pull the motor to get to the oil pan. There was, you know, the subframe sits up here. You know, instead of it sitting where it sits right now, it sat literally like the, you know, or the engine, I guess, sat more forward too. So we're doing the oil change. And she runs. So, done with the oil change. Sun decided to come back out. Been busy with the ND. Went to Miata meetup last Saturday. That was really fun. Managed to, with my new suspension and my new wheels and tires, I managed to shave 4 seconds off my best time at Gingerman Raceway. So, pretty excited about that. I definitely feel like I can shave more time off. So, here are the new wheels. They are Konig Ampliforms, 17x8 with a 45 offset, I believe, and then obviously 4x100 because that's the ND pattern. And I had some 235 4017 Falcon Zennies, the RT 615K pluses, laying around in my garage, like brand new, so they fit perfectly on there. So that's what I put on there. I really like the way the car looks with them. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell with the sun shining, but I really like the way that the bronze and the gold goes, and then obviously matches my YouTube sticker. So really loving these wheels. They have totally transformed the car. Also loving the way the car sits with the Progress springs. Looks really clean. And then last but not least, I was at Red Mist the other day screwing around with the base model, and we decided to fab up the world's shittiest muffler delete with leftover scrap pipe and a shitty fitting exhaust. But the car is so much funner to drive now just because of the sound. Like heel towing, rev matching is so much funner now just because I get to hear the motor come alive when I do it. So that's pretty much it. This was just kind of like a whatever video, just like a vloggy day in the life, slice of life, whatever you want to call it, you know. Just kind of update people with what's going on. Obviously we got Gridlife in 2 weeks, so that's gonna be awesome. Fingers crossed, Mike Pico at Red Mist should be able to take the car out. at Autobahn Country Club this upcoming Saturday. So he should be able to take it out to Autobahn on the 25th. And then that's going to be our shakedown session before Gridlife Midwest. As long as everything goes well at Autobahn, and it should. I mean, you know, obviously, I'm sure some little shit will happen, but the car will be fine, and then we can pack up for Gridlife for the weekend of the 31st through the 2nd. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.